How to find Wealthfront routing number. Follow the instructions. Open the Wealthfront app on your phone and log in using your account credentials to access the main dashboard. Tap the Cash Account section from the home screen to see all your checking and routing details in one place. Locate the Transfers or Move Money option in the Cash Account section to begin viewing account information. Tap on Direct Deposit or Set up Direct Deposit, where your routing and account numbers are shown clearly. The routing number will be labeled as routing number and typically begins with 0 to 6 or another 9-digit number. If you can't find it, tap Account Details or Banking Info for a full display of your deposit-related numbers. Double-check the number format to ensure it's a 9-digit routing number used for bank transfers and direct deposits. For confirmation, you can contact Wealthfront support through an app chat or visit their help center for verification. Thank you for watching.